Hello everyone, start off by tying a rope and then wrap it around the pole as such, make a loop out of it and then bring the other side through it. Now tighten it. Now wrap a rope around the pole and then make a loop out of one of the sides, bring the other side through it and then wrap it around the other side as well. Start off by making a little loop, make two of them and then put one on top of the other as such. Now once you are done with this, wrap this around the pole and then pull one section through the other as such and then tighten it. Next, take two sections of anything, make this loop-like shape out of the rope and then wrap the rope around this loop-like section. Once you're done with this, bring the other side through the top and then pull it tight. Next, we will start off by wrapping it around a wooden stick to begin with, and after this, add a little rope around it and then add multiple loops around it. Tighten it once you're done. Next, we will start off by making a normal knot as such. Taking the pole, bring it through the top as such and then bring each of the sections through it and let it be slightly bowed. Next, we will start off by rolling up one of the sides as such and putting the other side through it. Next, we will have to twist one of the loops. Before this, wrap it around the pole. Twist it around as such and then tighten it once you're done. Thank you for watching.